Now we are going to discuss non-inertial frame. Non-inertial frame is just opposite to inertial frame. If a frame of reference or a coordinate system is accelerating, we can say it is non-inertial frame. Now let us consider two frame S and S prime. This is S prime, this is S. Now there is a mass here, both are connected. The position vector of this mass in S prime coordinate system is R prime, and its coordinates is its position vector in S coordinate system is R. If the instantaneous separation between this is S, now we can write as usual R is equal to S plus R prime. This is just vector addition. This is first vector, this is second vector, then its sum will be R. Okay, now in last topic we have mentioned that S prime is not accelerating with respect to S. Okay, that's why we have mentioned in last topic or last video that both are inertial coordinate system, but now we are discussing non-inertial coordinate system. Therefore S prime is accelerating with respect to S. Okay, now if we take the derivative of this equation, say this is first equation, if we take its derivatives, we will get V is equal to V plus V prime. What is this V? This is the velocity of this mass in S coordinate system, and V prime is the velocity of this mass in S prime coordinate system. What is capital V? Capital V is the velocity of S prime coordinate system. Velocity of S prime coordinate system with respect to S coordinate system. Okay, now if the S prime is accelerating with respect to S, that is S prime don't have a uniform velocity with respect to S, then if we take derivative of, say this is second equation, taking derivative of second equation will give the acceleration. A is equal to capital A plus A prime. What is A? A is the acceleration of this mass in S coordinate system. Capital A is the acceleration of S prime coordinate system with respect to S. Acceleration of this coordinate system, S prime coordinate system. What is A prime? A prime is the acceleration of mass in S prime coordinate system. All is relative to the coordinate system which we have chosen, where A is the acceleration of S prime system with respect to S coordinate system. Okay, that is S prime is accelerating, or S prime is non-inertial. Okay, then if we find the force, if we find force on the mass from S coordinate system, what will be it? Let's say force from S frame. S frame, the force from S frame is equal to F is equal to ma. Force from S prime F prime is equal to ma prime. Okay, then we can connect, but we already know from third, let us call this as third equation. A is equal to A plus A prime. This is the third equation. Okay, These all are vectors. We should remember that these are all vectors. We are dealing with vectors. Okay. Now, what is A prime? A prime is equal to A minus A. Just rearranging. Now, what is F prime? Ma prime. That is equal to M A minus A. That is Ma minus Ma. That is, if we measure force from S coordinate system, it is not just equal to the force measured in the S prime coordinate system. In S frame, if we measure force is equal to Ma. If we measure force from S prime frame, it is Ma prime. Ma prime. If we substitute for A prime, we will get Ma minus Ma. Then if we compare this equation, suppose if we compare, this is force from this and these two equations. What is the difference? If the force measured from S prime from S coordinate system is F is equal to Ma, and from the primed coordinate system it is Ma minus, there is an additional term Ma. So that we can conclude that force measured from two coordinate systems are different, right? There is an additional term minus Ma comes due to the acceleration of second frame. This additional force, this additional term is called as Fitch's force. F Fitch's is equal to minus Ma. Why? Where do this Ma comes from? It comes from due to the acceleration of second frame. If the second frame is not accelerating, if S prime is not accelerating, then A is equal to 0. It is the A is the acceleration of S prime with respect to S. If A, capital A is equal to 0, then F prime is equal to Ma minus 0. Since this term will vanish, go to 0. Only this is just equal to F. That is, force measured from both coordinate system will be same. Actually, that's why we will call this force comes due to the acceleration of second frame is called as Fitch's force. Okay. here we are dealing with uniform acceleration. We are assuming a is uniform or a is constant. If a is not constant or non-uniform, if a is varying, capital is A is varying, then the system will be very complex. Okay, we are now onwards we are dealing with second frame. S prime is moving with uniform acceleration A. That's why there is a fictitious force arising due to the acceleration of this frame. Okay.